Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your water filter on a Samsung refrigerator. So if you have this light right here, the filter light here that's on, what you want to do is you want to first obviously have your water filter, and I got this on Amazon, but they sell this at Home Depot, I believe, and other stores, but Amazon is probably going to be the cheapest option. Now, what you want to do is you want to open your fridge, and all the way at the bottom here, you'll see this thing right here, and that's going to be the filter. What you want to do is you want to twist this to the left and keep twisting it, and as you can see, it'll pop out and you'll have your water filter. Now, this is the old one, so we don't want to confuse this with the new one. We'll put this aside. We're going to open this right here. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, and once we get this opened, you'll see it's in its packaging. So okay, now that I have this water filter out of its plastic wrap, I'm going to put this in the fridge. But first, you want to remove the cap. It just pops off right there. And then you want to put this in here, like so. And then you want to twist, right. And as you can see, you want to make sure this arrow lines up. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your pitcher or a large container and fill this up for 5 minutes, because it needs to run through. So 5 to 6 minutes you want to fill this up. So right now is 9:20. I'm going to fill it up till 9:25. Or 9:26. So okay, now that I'm back from letting the water run here for around 5 to 6 minutes, I am going to reset the filter. Now, on some Samsung refrigerators, you are going to need to press and hold the filter button, but on other ones, you'll see a reset filter here, and it says 3 seconds, so you'll just want to press it down and hold it for 3 seconds. And there we go. Now you have a perfectly good fridge again. Enjoy it.